This is a milestone to our club. The almost 5 decades of club existence has had up and downs, but we remain steadfast.
Nais kong gawin sa aking termino sa Rotary, i-maintain yung good standing ng membership, gawin yung mga bagay na wala pa, at improve yung ibang policies. I-maintain namin yung good standing ng membership, active sa participation ng bawat activities and project, yung fellowship, mas dadamihan namin.
Our club is also celebrating its 49th founding anniversary this year. And a year from now, we will celebrating our golden year.
Hi pa, we just want to say congratulations to this achievement that you've achieved, and I wish you happiness, and sana marami pa po kayong matulungang tao sa Rotary and sa mga ibang bagay.
Papa, congrats, and alam ko na matagal mong pinaghandaan to. So, support lang kami all the way.
Palits, congratulations. Support kami sa'yo.
Before, wala akong planong mag-join ng Rotary. Namit ko si Director Nestor, former co-founding member ng LAG PSG, and he invite ng Rotary, at marami raw natutulungan ng Rotary.
Our keynote speaker for tonight, Senator Risa Hontiveros Barakel.
Continue to imagine the best for Rotary and for all of us Filipinos.
Hi, GSP Lito De Leon. Happy 50th induction ceremony and 49th anniversary of the Rotary Club of San Pedro. Congratulations and good luck.
We now know that what we imagine together is certainly within reach.
Congratulations, classmate Lito De Leon.
Rotary Club of San Pedro, congratulations on your 50th induction ceremony.
Congratulations, GSP Lito De Leon.
RC San Pedro, GS President Lito De Leon, congratulations!
I am deeply honored to be a special guest in the 50th induction ceremony of the Rotary Club of San Pedro. Reaching this milestone is no small feat. On behalf of our beloved San Pedronians, I thank you. To the club inductees in this special occasion, congratulations.
I hope that you join me and my genuine service presidents, and together we imagine the many possibilities we can create.
Hangad ko ang inyong tagumpay at asahan nyo na ako ang nakasuporta lagi sa inyong bitiin upang ipagpatuloy ang pagtulong sa ating komunidad. Let us continue to serve to change lives. Mabuhay ang Rotary! Mabuhay ang Rotary Club of San Pedro!
My fellow Rotarian, tuloy-tuloy natin yung pagtulong sa mga mas nangangailangan sa komunidad ng San Pedro.
Genuine Service President Lito De Leon. Congratulations!
Congratulations and we love you.
Thank you so much for the members of the Rotary Club San Pedro for giving me the chance to lead you. In this Imagine Rotary year, I will forever be grateful and for the recognition and confidence